Okay, so they tell you here to fill the tiles one by one, right? We need 120 on one side, so there's 120, but the total number is, so each row has 120. The question is, how many of these rows do we need to fill all the walls, right? And to determine how many rows, all we have to do is get the total number. Right? The question is, how many of this fits into this, right? So get the total, divide by 120. Exactly 120. So that means we can fit 120 this way, and we can fit 120 tiles this way. Okay, I'm not going to draw 120 tiles. Hopefully the dot 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 is clear that if you have these small tiles that fit in, you're going to be able to get 120 this way as well as this way. Okay. So the question is, well, what if it wasn't one by one? What if it was different size, right? So it has to be, right? It has to be divisible. It has to divide 120. So 120 is, 2 times by 60. So if you had a side length that was not 1 but 2, right? 2. So that's actually the tile now instead of just being 1. Then we can fit 60 of those in there. Also 3 times by 40. So if it was each tile size is 3, then we can still fit 40. Okay, so let's say if it was like 7. So 7 times no number will fit exactly into 120. So if you have something that's size 7, right, it's not going to fit in evenly. At some point, you're going to have to maybe cut this tile, right, manually to make it fit, which is not nice. So that's how the number 120 helps you to choose what size, what dimension tile you should pick.